The IN180 was designed for packaging producers who already have an automatic packing solution, but need the option to change the orientation of the box before it enters the case. The IN180 works with our virtual packer or any other packer on the market, allowing you to automatically pack the box in the required orientation. This added flexibility means you can pack more box types faster and in the case configuration that your clients require. The IN180 is making finishing lines all over the world more efficient. IMPACK automated solutions like our box turners bridge the gaps in your folded gluer process, eliminating bottlenecks and expanding box packing options. Increase productivity by optimizing your packing process with an IMPACK solution. Contact your IMPACK sales manager to find out if the IN180 or one of our other box turners is best for you.